Good morning to all. New chapter, chapter 4 fractions, addition and subtraction. First of all, definition of the fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole, a part of a collection, a division that is numerator upon denominator. Types of fractions, like fractions having the same denominator. Here you've seen in the example, all have the same denominator, so it's the like fraction. Unlike fractions with different denominators. See the example. Proper fraction. Fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. It has value less than 1. Numerator is less and numerator is less and denominator is greater, then it is the proper fraction. Improper fraction, fractions in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Its value is 1 or more than 1. Here you have seen its denominator is smaller than the numerator, or you may say numerator is greater than the denominator, or it should be equal. In both cases, these are the improper fraction. Unit fraction, fractions that have 1 as the numerator. Here you have seen 1 as the numerator, then it is unit fraction. Mixed fraction, combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. This is your whole number and this is your proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is smaller than the denominator. So whole number and proper fraction, it's a combination of both. An improper proper fraction can be changed to a mixed fraction and vice versa. Here you have seen this will be your improper fraction. It should be changed into mixed. How? First of all, you have to divide, then the quotient, here you have seen, then remainder upon divisor. Quotient, remainder and divisor. Then it become mixed. And here you have seen how mixed is converted into improper. Multiply the whole part with the denominator. Here you have seen, and then add the numerator in that, you will get the improper fraction denominator as it is. Equivalent fraction. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same whole number which is not 0, it means except 0 all the numbers should be multiplied. We get a fraction which is equivalent to the given fraction. Here you have seen 1 by 2. Multiply by 2, it becomes 2 upon 4. Now again take 2 upon 4, multiply by 2, become 4 upon 8. So it should be equivalent fraction. Fractions are equivalent if the cross product of the numerator of one fraction and the denominator of the other are equal. It means if you have do the cross multiply, that means 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 5, 15. If both are equal, then it is equivalent, otherwise not. Example 1. Convert 3 whole 1 upon 4 into an improper fraction. How? First of all, the step 1, multiply the whole number part with the denominator. Multiply the whole number part with its denominator, that is 12. After that, step 2, add this product to the numerator. Numerator is 1. So in the product you have to add 1 and then you get 13. Now this is the numerator and the denominator of the fractional part is its denominator. Now it's become the fraction. These all are the steps. Example 2. Express 15 upon 7 as mixed fraction. The rule is very simple. First of all, you have to divide it. This will be your quotient, this will be your remainder, and this will be your divisor. After that, you have seen here it is written quotient whole number part, or you may say quotient, both are same, that is 2. Fraction part is remainder upon divisor. Now mixed fraction, combination of the whole part and proper fraction, this become mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder, then divisor. I have already told to you. Here see, a fraction is said to be in its simplest form when denominator and numerator have no common factor other than 1. If numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, then it is called as in simplest form or lowest form. Simplest form or lowest form both have the same meaning. See here, I have taken one question. Here see the how you have to fill in this box. Here you have seen we have to fill in this box, but this is given. So 49, when you have to divide by 7, what you get? 7. This means you have to divide this also by 7. What you get? 11. So you have to fill here 11. Take this and divide by this number. If it is possible, multiply, then multiply here also, and then you will write. Okay. Here you have seen example 9, how this to be converted into lowest term. I have already told to you lowest term or standard form have the same meaning. First of all, you have to find the HCF of both these numbers and then divide by this HCF both the numbers. You will get the simplest form or lowest term of the given number. Now, exercise 4.1. Find question number 1. Find the groups of like fraction. Like fraction means having the same denominator. Where you have seen the same denominator here. So this is the like fraction. Not here, not here, not. Understand how you have to recognize like fraction? Same denominator. Like means same. So same denominator. Question 2. Name the type of fraction. Here what is type? Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. So it's the proper fraction. Here 8 whole 1 upon 2. Then it means it's a mixed fraction. Okay. Question number 3. Express the following mixed fraction as improper fraction. What the rule is? I have already shown the steps. That is 3 multiply 9. It means whole number multiply denominator plus remainder. Solve this first. 3 9 ja 27 plus 4. How much you get? 31. And denominator as it is. Now it will be your answer. See, I have taken one more question. 9 into 3 plus 1. 9 into 3 multiply, then add this upon 3. 3 9 ja 27 plus 1 upon 3. Add it 28 upon 3 as your answer in improper. Question 4. Read, express the following improper fraction as mixed fraction. Very simple. This is an improper. So how you have to convert into mixed? First of all, you have to divide. In table of 6, how many times it goes? 6 8 ja 48. So 8 times 48. Now what is your remainder? 1. This will be your quotient, this will be your remainder, and this will be your divisor. So how you have to write? First quotient, then remainder upon divisor. Quotient is 8, remainder is 1, then divisor is 6. This will be in mixed of this number. Question 5. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest form. Lowest form, how you have to reduce, I have already told to you. First of all, we have to find the HCF. Use the division method. 72 divided by 60. One time it goes. What is remaining? 2, 1. Now here comes 60. How much time it go? 12, 5 are 60. Here remainder 0. That means this number is your HCF. Now your number is 60 upon 72. You have to divide by HCF, that is 12. What you get? 12 in table of 12. How many times you get 60? 5 times. And in table of 12, how many times you get 72? 6 times. Now 5 upon 6 is your answer. This is the process. First find the HCF with this method. Then divide the number by the HCF. You will get the final answer. Use this step in every question. Question 6. Write 3 equivalent fractions. You have to write 3 equivalent fractions. Very simple. How? Your question is 5 upon 9. You have to multiply 5 upon 9 multiply 2. What you get? 5 2s are 10 and 9 2s are 18. 5 upon 9 multiply, here is 2, then multiply by 3. 5 3s are 15 and 9 3s are 27. 5 upon 9 multiply, here 2, 3, after that 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4 9s are 36. These 3 are your equivalent fraction. You have to find 3 and we have to find 3. Multiply by 2, the same number. Multiply by 3, the same number. Multiply by 4, the same number. Then you will get the equivalent fraction. Understand the rule? Question number 7. Cross multiply to find whether the fractions are equivalent or not. You have to do the cross multiply. I already told to you. Cross multiply means this type. It means 7 into 16 and 15 into 8. 16 7 ja 112 and 15 8 ja 120. So what you have seen, here is 112, here is 120. These are equal? Not. So these are not equal. If they have the same value, then they are equal. Use this method in all the question. Okay. So when equal, then it means, when not equal, then it means these two numbers are not equal or not equivalent. Question number 8. Fill in the missing numerator and denominators. You have to fill the numerator and denominator as per the requirement. Here I have taken this question. In table of 7, how many times you get 35? 5 times. It means 15 is divided by 5. What you get? 3. So here you have to fill 3. The same here. 36 divided by 3, what you get? 12. So this number is also divided by 12. What you get? 12 2 ja. So here you have to fill 2. Okay, like this you have to do the remaining questions as an homework. Thank you.